Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make three columns in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your text area, dragging your mouse onto apply columns. Now select format option and select column option. Here you will find this three columns option. Simply select here and see this three column already applied. Also I'll apply three columns here, format option, columns. See this. Also you can apply three columns whole document. Simply select file option, edit option and select all or press Ctrl A for your keyboard. Now select format option and simply select columns and three columns. And see this whole document now is split into three columns. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.